Okay, time to check some emails. Old Navy has a sale on winter clothes. There goes summer. 2 more Zoom meetings today. 1 hydro bill to pay. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? Oh, interesting. I think I'll call and get some more information on this one.
Hello, thank you for calling the AME conference hotline. This is Aretha. How may I help you?
My name is Rob. I've just registered for the upcoming AME virtual conference. I was wondering if you could explain more about the AME Virtual Premier Night package.
Well, Robert, I'd be happy to assist. The AME Virtual Conference Premier is an event that will showcase all the stars that have worked so hard to ensure that you, our valued attendee, experience a great virtual conference.
So what can I expect?
You will be entertained by our very own NuBee Night Hollywood Square. NuBee Night will introduce you to many of our faithful volunteers who will help you by providing insight to many of the questions you may have about the conference. There will also be an opportunity to network, meet some of your fellow attendees through many fun activities. In addition, it will have more information on what you need in order to ensure that you have a great time during the virtual event.
Yeah, I'm very interested in the virtual premiere package. How do I get one?
Well, all you have to do is look behind you and your package should be there.
What do you mean, look behind me, and wow, that's impressive. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Robert. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you, Aretha. I appreciate your time.
Well, all the best, and we do hope that you will enjoy the AME Virtual Premiere Night. Take care and have a great day.